This home on Faith Step is full of fine amenities. Your search will be finished. Once you see it, take a look.
This garden home has a spacious and open floor plan and is perfect for entertaining. The large covered back patio offers a great space to enjoy time with family or friends, while the large kitchen provides a place to prepare delicious meals your whole group will love. The kitchen offers a large walk-in pantry, granite countertops, built-in microwave, and lots of cabinet space. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an isolated master room where you can unwind after a long day. There's also plenty of storage areas inside so that you can keep everything neat and tidy.
This one is fresh and unforgettable. Don't forfeit your chance to make this one your forever home. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.